fizzy odd cod. Okay.
Self-stated, he has no idea how he
Thanks, Motostars.
noticed so much snow on the
Watch out, watch out. Low traction issues. Watch out for that corner. That's where the water, you saw the drain? That's where the water goes. It could have been black ice right there. Southeastern squids got pushed off to the side. Remember, okay, we're moving on to the next one. Don't hard throttle on wet roads. Moving on through here. So once again, don't hard throttle. This is an Indian Scout, great bike. Got a rock form on, probably from the code that we use. Link in the description for that. Near miss wipeout filtering. Big open lane. There it is. Big open lane. Big issue with lane filtering. You can't see it ahead of time very quickly. That's why you slow it down. But if you see a big open lane like that, move, or not move, or they're going to move over. Watch out. Orange stage, cover those brakes. Apply progressive brake pressure if needed.
For no
25.
The driver in the rear decided without hesitation to create twice a very big threat to this biker.
Okay. Blind spot now. Green is go. Okay, here we go. That person's acting like an idiot. Let them act like an idiot. Don't know why this is in Motostars. What the heck are we doing here? What is this? What is this? Whoa! Now that was an idiot. What the heck? That was the idiot. Okay. Alright. Little weird, little uncommon thing in a common situation. Apply the brakes, let them in. What is going on? Okay, we're in a bad spot. Get into a position for safety if you possibly can. Get out of there. Go left. Lane filter if you need to. Just go. This person's acting dumb. Really dumb. Now that they're in front of you, you're a lot safer. Watch them in front. Don't be in front of them. Angry Karen, okay. Prince Meerkat. He's a DDFing crew member. Been in the live streams a few times. Let's see what happens. Let's see if they maintain their Smart Rider status. Probably taking our course at the MTC Rider Academy for $4.99 a month for the first month. Okay, that person just gunned it. That person slowed down. You witnessed it. You saw it. Hopefully you were an orange stage, prepped and ready in case they wanted to swerve in front of you because they didn't stop in time, or they were trying to stop in time. Whoa! Very close to the right side of that road. Could have hit any of the vehicles. Let them be in front like the last person. Okay, that says 45. We're going 75. What the heck? Or was that 65? Either way, we're going really fast. I think it was 55-ish. Sierra Electric Company. Go ahead and call the boss. If any of my team members did this, any of my crew members did this, you're out of here. I think they...
Happy New Year! Dude, relax, man!
He's a licensed contractor?
It's a new year, man!
You can report that.
What the?
He's a licensed contractor.
Hey, let it go, let it go!
Prince Meerkat.
Let it go.
There you go. Smart Rider, letting it go. Letting it go. You learn, buddy. You're maintaining your skills. Uh-oh, doggo. Did end up biting. Forestry service person.
Sorry about that.
It's not a sorry about that. She needs to put her dog on the leash. What the heck? Near crash after merging. Okay, watch out. Our lane is moving. Once again, our lane is moving. Watch out for that. Whenever you're passing another vehicle, you should be in orange stage. And position yourself for safety. Move off to the right a little bit on that situation.
A very important sign and almost hits the driver. He decided to blame the driver, but he quickly manages to understand the situation.
Ooh, found the escape. I was like, slow down. What? Found the escape. Got himself out of there. Good job with that escape path. Moved away. Last second. Solved their own problem. Very good, very good, very good. That was a red stage. Got himself out of there. Get it?
My bad.